Takabatana were able to unite, and we are here a week later, creating a historic strike not only for the lecturers of Zimbabwe, but for the working class of this country. We cannot sit back and accept a clear haste robbery of our sweat and our work as workers that happened after October 2018. We cannot have a situation here, a salary, reduce from 2,250 to less than 250, and we continue accepting that. When we are at the highest institution of learning in this country, when we have a constitution that guarantees every employee the right to a fair and reasonable wage. So we want to welcome and congratulate you, Zamaitanas. This is a lawful strike. This is a lawful picket. The university committed itself last Saturday when we were in court, but it is not going to interfere with this strike or with this picket. We want to send a message to some recalcitrant madini atakanzwa nemachairperson vatiri kunzwa kuti vari kusenda mamessage ekuti ukasauya kuzoisa mapepa eexam kuexam board ziva kuti contract renewal yavapo. We now have 2 of them. Tiri kuda kuti vaite 5. 2 is not enough. And then demonstrate to them the whip of the law. Dechedu na mapfumo na Minister of Higher Education. Kana uri dean, kana uri chairperson we department. Tora zvima fuel allowance zvauri kupuwa. Onyarara. Maria tiri kudaisha benefita newe. Saka, these are our colleagues. We are just sending them a warning, a friendly warning at this stage. The Labour Act is very clear that any person cannot interfere with the right of an employee to exercise their rights. Commits not only an unfair labor practice, but also a criminal offense, for which you can go to jail for 2 years. So we will not hesitate. We will not hesitate to prosecute not only the university, but also individual.